Dear student, myself Dr. Shrikant, VL College of Pharmacy, Raichur. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for the latest update. Who are not subscribed for my channel, please subscribe and update the whatever the videos which are crossing in my videos. So today we are discussing the topic preparation of suppository or method of preparation of suppository. In earlier video we discussed the what are the suppository, what are its advantages and disadvantages of suppository with respect to other dosage form, and we also enlightened the what are the suppository bases ideal properties, that is a selection of the bases which is used for the suppository, and also what are the different types of suppository bases are available and what are the advantages and disadvantages among these bases. In this class we are enlightening the what are the methods which are used for preparing the suppository, even in the laboratory scale, even in the industrial scale, based on the properties of the drug, based on the bases, how the methods commonly used in the industry laboratory we will discussing in this class. So the first, basically there are three methods are there. One is a rolling method or hand method, and second one hot method or fusion method, and third one is a cold compression method. These are three important methods which are used for preparing the suppository method. Among this, the first method is a rolling method, and or it's also called as a hand method. Here the required quantity of the base and the active medicament are mixed together and made as a small roll, and this roll cutted into the required size and made into the shape which is required for the whether the suppository for rectal, whether the suppository for vaginal, or you want to be kids or you want to be adult. Based on the size also you can make the by hand method, and this method is also called as an ancient method. It's an old method which is adopted in the preparation of a suppository, but nowadays it is not used in the preparation of the suppositories because of the availability of the latest method and more the precise the result of the suppository method. That method is nowadays it is not used. Coming to the hot method or fusion method, as the name indicate that hot means hot or increase in the temperature for melting the bases. Okay, so here this method is most popularly used for the dispensing purposes. Okay, and this method is very simple. The first, the required selected base is weighed according to the formula and melted and incorporate the drug or medicament in that and filled into the mold. This is very simple. Just taken the required quantity of the base and melted on the water bath, and to this add the required quantity of the medicament and stir well and fill into the mold. So this is a simplest method which is commonly used in the small scale industry as well as the large scale industry, and the drugs which are thermostable and drugs which are soluble in the bases, this method is most suitable. And here we have to be enlightened another important aspect of the preparation of this hot method is the mold which is used for preparing the suppository. What is this mold or suppository mold? Okay, which is used for the preparing the suppository. Mold are made up of a stainless steel or brass and which have the capacity 6 to 12 cavities. These are the 6 to 12 cavities will be there, and usually 6 sizes mold are available and up to the 12 cavities mold are available, and these molds have the capacity, that is the inner capacity will be 1 gram, 2 gram, 4 gram, 8 gram capacity are there, and this part is there na lock will be there. So this is the two section of the mold will be there. Once if you open that, it will be separated into two parts. So this is locked mold which is used for the preparation of the suppository. So any suppository mold you have to be used, you have to be calibrate the mold. That is very much important. Calibration of mold is very much important before going for the formulation. So before use calibration of mold by the selected base is very much important. Okay, by standard method to ensure the nominal capacity of its weight and volume is essential. So any mold if you want to use, कोई भी मोल्ड हम लोग यूज़ करना बोले तो उसको कैलिब्रेशन करना पहली बात, वेदर द वेट और वॉल्यूम सही है कि नहीं, क्या कुछ बेस इज अडेयर टू द मोल्ड और वेट में कुछ फर्क आ रहा है क्या, वो चेक करना, उसको बोलते हैं कैलिब्रेशन. ओके, एंड दिस इज एन वेरी मच इम्पॉर्टेंट बिफोर गोइंग ऑफ द फार्मुलेशन. कोई भी फार्मुलेशन करने से पहले मोल्ड का उसका जो कैलिब्रेशन करते हैं ना वो बहुत ज़रूरी रहता है. अगर यहाँ पे हम लोग कैलिब्रेशन नहीं किया तो वेट वेरिएशन हो जाता है, ड्रग डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन में थोड़ा चेंज हो जा सकता है। इसलिए ये जो भी मोल्ड सेलेक्ट करे रहते हैं वो मोल्ड को हम लोग कैलिब्रेशन करना। उसके बाद डिस्प्लेसमेंट वैल्यू बिफोर गोइंग ऑफ एनी फार्मुलेशन, specifically in the suppository what happen, the displacement value is important. What is this displacement value? Displacement value is the number of parts by weight of the active medicament that displaces one part of the weight of the base. ये क्या होता है बोले तो ये डिपेंड्स अपॉन द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द मोल्ड, मीन्स द वट एवर सेलेक्टेड योर मोल्ड विल बी यूनिफॉर्म वॉल्यूम विल बी देयर, बट इट विल वेरी बिकॉज ऑफ द डेंसिटी ऑफ द मेडिकमेंट। मतलब क्या होता है, जो भी मोल्ड रहता है ना उसका वॉल्यूम फिक्स रहता है, लेकिन उसमें जो रहता है ना हम लोग इंग्रेडिएंट और मेडिकमेंट और बेसेस डालते हैं ना, अलग अलग वेट पकड़ता है। समझ लीजिए ये जो मोल्ड है ना इसका कैपेसिटी 1 ग्राम है, एक्स ड्रग विल बी 1 ग्राम पकड़ेगा, वाई ड्रग विल बी 500 mg पकड़ेगा, जेड इंग्रेडिएंट रहे तो 1.5 ग्राम पड़ेगा। मतलब डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द ड्रग्स डेंसिटी इज एन प्लेस एन इम्पोर्टेंट। सो लाइट मैग्नीशियम कार्बोनेट एंड हेवी मैग्नीशियम कार्बोनेट, ये जो दोनों है ना मैग्नीशियम कार्बोनेट है, लाइट को क्या हो जाता है 1 ग्राम डाले तो इसकी बाहर आ जाता है, कैपेसिटी 1 ग्राम कैपेसिटी रहे तो 1 ग्राम से भी बाहर आ जाए, अगर वेट कर रहे तो इसके अंदर ही पकड़ जाता है, इसलिए इसको बोलते हैं डेंसिटी वेरिएशन। और खास करके हम लोग सपोजिटरी बनाते वक्त तो वेट और उसका वॉल्यूम ऑफ एक्टिव मेडिकमेंट विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू द बेस सेलेक्टेड शुड बी कैलकुलेटेड बिफोर the formulation to compensate the loss during the formulation. So that is why displacement value is very much important. I will repeat once again, the volume of mold is uniform but its weight will vary because of the density of medicament usually differ from the bases. इसलिए हम लोग ये जरूरी है इसका डिस्प्लेसमेंट वैल्यू कैलकुलेशन कर लेना बिफोर द फार्मुलेशन ऑफ योर फार्मुलेशन। फॉर एग्जांपल इफ यू वांट टू प्रिपेयर ए 6 1 ग्राम कैपेसिटी सपोजिटरी समझ लीजिए, आप 2 एक्स्ट्रा लेना, क्वांटिटी जो रहता है ना इंग्रेडिएंट का उसका 2 ज़्यादा लेना, 8 कैपेसिटी को कितना होना वो इंग्रेडिएंट आप यूज़ करके और वो फिल करें तो आपको सब 8 में अगर बेस्ट 6 आपको मिल जाता है, 6 मिलेगा 7 मिलेगा रहता है। एंड अलाउंसेस आर एक्स्ट्रा प्रिपेयर्ड कंपेयर टू अदर डोसेज फॉर्म, एक्स्ट्रा क्वांटिटी इज वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट टू मैनिपुलेट द लॉस ड्यूरिंग द preparation. Okay, so finally definition of the displacement value is the number of parts by weight of the active medicament that displaces one part by weight of the base. So this is very much important consideration in the suppository formulation. Next comes the lubrication of mold. Lubrication of mold मतलब ये जो mold use कर रहे हैं ना, before using you have to be clean, dried and lubricated. and खास करको आप लोग अगर कोको बटर ऐसे ना बेस ही सेलेक्ट किए बोले तो ये मोल्ड, अगर ये मोल्ड को एडेहरेंस होता है तो इसके लिए इसको बहुत ज़रूरी है, अगर आप कोको बटर और थियोब्रोमो ऑयल यूज़ किए तो फॉर्मुलेशन में आप उस मोल्ड को लुब्रिकेशन करना पड़ता है। अगर आप लोग सिंथेटिक और ग्लिसरोजिलेटिन और मैक्रोकैल बेसिस और यूज़ किया तो आपको ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगा वो मोल्ड को लुब्रिकेशन करने के लिए। सो डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द टाइप ऑफ बेस यू आर सेलेक्टेड यू हैव टू बी लुब्रिकेट द मोल्ड एंड मोर स्पेसिफिकली व्हेन यू सेलेक्ट एज एन थियोब्रोमो ऑयल और कोको बटर इट इज़ वेरी एसेंशियल दैट बिफोर द यूज ऑफ दिस मोल्ड यू हैव टू बी क्लीन, ड्राइड एंड लुब्रिकेट. Okay, lubricate. And the most commonly used example of the lubricants are the soft soap, glycerin, alcohol, castor oil or liquid paraffin. Again this will be depend upon the type of drug which is selected. You can be choose either one of the as a lubricating agent. So what is the method of hot fusion method or the hot method? So the first step is that the mold is calibrated and lubricated, keep it in a cool condition. That is the first step for the hot method or fusion method when you selected as a base as in theobromo oil, cocoa butter. And second step is the calculate the required quantity of the active ingredient and bases with respect to displacement value. I told very clear before formulating displacement value is very much important because many drug and bases which will be vary at its density. Okay, for that reason calculate the respect to displacement value. Next step is that powder the solid which is selected in this part. So powder the whatever the active medicament and pass through the 180 mesh, and then collect the base which is selected, that is a theobromine oil is selected and taken into the porcelain dish and keep it on the water bath and melt for the 1/3 its melt. Once the melt will be across 1/3, remove the porcelain dish and add the required quantity of medicament, stir well and fill into this mold with the overflow. That is a very much important overflow, and this mold will be keep it on the cool condition for the 10 to 15 minutes for the solidification, and then you make the label and package it into the partition packaging compartment boxes, and finally you label it as for rectal use only, for vaginal use only. Okay, so this is a method will be adapted for the preparation of the, what is that, the fusion method or hot method. And the last method is a cold compression method. See the word cold compression method, and this method is very very popular and more successful in the industry part, and this method is very very industrial method, and this method is adapted when the drug is thermolayable and when the drug is insoluble in the bases. So that is why this method is very much important, and this method is very costly because the total equipment or the room you have to maintain in a very very cold condition. So before going for the use of this equipment, you have to be chilled for this equipment for the preparing of that. So this method is very simple. यहाँ पे देखिए ये जो रहता है ना, इसको सिलेंडर बोलते हैं. ओके, यहाँ जो अंदर रहता है ना, इसको मास रहता है, मतलब ड्रग और दी बेस का मास रहता है ना, यहाँ पे रख देते हैं. यहाँ पे एक पिस्टन रहता है, ये पिस्टन को दबा दिया तो ये जो मास है ना सपोजिटरी मोल्ड में चले जाता है, और ये जो प्लेट रहता है, प्लेट निकाल दिया तो यहाँ पे सपोजिटरी सेपरेट होके गिर जाता है. इसको बोलते हैं कोल्ड कंप्रेशन मेथड. इट इज़ वेरी सिमिलर टू टैबलेट पंचिंग मशीन. सो दिस मेथड इज़ वेरी कॉमन एंड मोर इम्पॉर्टेंटली इन द इंडस्ट्री. वेरी सिंपल. दिस इज completely as a cylinder in which in center pot you will have the place for the keeping the mass, that is an include of a drug and bases, and this part is called as a piston or plunger. This will be moves up, back and front, and the mass when you push through the piston, what happen, the mass will be entering into these molds and it will be filled in the mold, and when you remove this plate, what happen, so the suppository will be ejected from the suppository molds. So that is why this method is very very important, and the thing is that it is costlier when compared to the other method. But suppository which are getting from this compression method, it is a very very uniformity will be there. Very very uniformity will be the stability, shapes also it's very good when compared to the other method. So and this method is not suitable for when you use it as a glycerogelatin as a basis. So this is the main important for the consideration while you are preparing the preparation of suppository. So finally what happened, what we discussed in this class means rolling method, hot method or fusion method, and the third one is a compression method. ये मेथड से ये तीनों मेथड बहुत बहुत ज़रूरी रहता है preparation of the suppository. ये तीनों मेथडों में based on the thermostable, thermolayable and solubility of the drug in the bases you have to be selected. and खास कर को हम लोग ये important देना इधर suppository mold को कैसे use करना, किस तरह से आता है, किस कैपेसिटी आता है, उसको कैलिब्रेशन कैसा करना, और नेक्स्ट बात क्या हो जाता है, डिस्प्लेसमेंट वैल्यू कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है. डिस्प्लेसमेंट वैल्यू इज़ वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट यहाँ पे रहता है. क्यों बोले तो डेंसिटी विल बी चेंजेस फॉर द ड्रग एंड बेसिस. फॉर दैट रीजन इट्स एन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड lubrication of mold is also important, not suitable for the synthetic or glycerogelatin or macrogols, but if you use as a cocoa butter you need to be lubrication. And the method very simple. मोल्ड को कैलिब्रेशन करना, लुब्रिकेशन करना, कीप इट इन कूल कंडीशन, और जो भी ड्रग्स रहता है ना उसको कैलकुलेशन करना बेस्ड ऑन द डिस्प्लेसमेंट वैल्यू, एंड पाउडर रहे तो उसको साइज रिडक्स करके पास करना सीयू मैश को, कलेक्टेड इन पोर्सलिन डिश, हीट मेल्टेड ऑन अ वाटर बाथ, एंड ऐड द रिक्वायर्ड क्वांटिटी ऑफ द मेडिकमेंट, स्टर एंड fill it and keep it on the solidification, then pack into the suitable container. So this is a method will be adapted for the in small scale as well as the large scale. So hopefully you understand this video very very clearly. Thank you for watching this video.